Being a cat owner is amazing. But let's be real, cleaning the litter box is not. Scooping every day, dealing with the smell and the constant risk of contamination. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of cat poop slavery. But what if we told you there's a way out of this cycle? Introducing the solution to all your cat litter woes, the Litterbot Pro. It's like having a personal butler for your cat's litter, but instead of bringing you tea and crumpets, it just takes care of the poop and pee. And with its open concept design, your cat can sit comfortably while using it. You'll have more time to do things you actually enjoy, like taking a nap or eating pineapple pizza. Because who doesn't love pineapple pizza? But the Litterbot Pro isn't just about convenience, it's also about hygiene. Its self-cleaning capabilities reduce odors and germs, and it prevents your entire home from becoming one big litter box. Think about it. When a regular litter box isn't cleaned frequently enough, your cat's paws and tails get dirty, and before you know it, you've got litter everywhere. From the couch to the kitchen countertop, even your bed. It's like having an unflushed toilet in your living room. But with the Litterbot Pro, say goodbye to dirty paws and hello to a clean home. Its removable poop catcher container makes the Litterbot Pro safe for both cats and kids. Clean it every 3 days and you're done. With advanced technology, the Litterbot Pro spins around like a ballerina every 15 minutes, gently stirring and sifting the litter to remove any waste. And with its low rotation speed, your cat won't even notice it. Plus, it's quiet as a mouse and perfect for any living situation. And with its compact size, it's easy to fit in any room of your home, even in a small apartment. And the best part? The Litterbot Pro is affordable and consumes only 8 watts of power. That's only 2 cents a day. It's like getting a magical money-saving genie for your cat's litter needs. Imagine not having to constantly buy litter and scooping every day. You'll save both time and money with Litterbot Pro. So don't let cat poop servitude control your life any longer. With the Litterbot Pro, enjoy more quality time with your furry friend without having to worry about the unpleasant smells and contamination caused by a regular litter box. Back your Litterbot Pro and free yourself from being a daily poop slave. It's the perfect solution.